Every coin has a story to tell, and that is really what makes coin collecting wonderful, is the stories. And that kind of also applies into how coin grading works.
Today's values require that people need to know exact grading of coins because it can make a tremendous amount of difference in value and ultimately your success, whether you're a collector or a dealer.
Problem coins are a big part of this class because a lot of the students tell me that one of the reasons they take the class is that when they buy and sell coins, problem coins trip them up a lot. I think a lot of people don't understand that term totally, and we will be examining that more thoroughly. One of the tricks I tell people is to pick a series such as Morgan Silver Dollars and become really proficient at that one series. And as you become more expert at that and understand what to look for and all the things that affect the grades, then you can actually extrapolate that information to other series.
IAPL is such an important factor in advanced coin grading that's become more and more about what you need to learn here, because I can tell you for sure the grading companies take into account when they're grading the coins.
Always remember, grading is an art, not an exact science, and there's a ton of nuances to be discussed and learned about when you take these classes.